pero sino yung naging boyfriend mo na hindi namin alam? Tay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. Yeah! Vina Morales! Tay Kapuso ay nagbabalik po si Vina dito sa GMA7 ngayon 2025 with a serie called...
Meron na kaming title.
Meron na.
Oo, masyadong maitriga. Cruz versus Cruz.
Ayan. Babalik ka dito para mapagkwentuhan natin yan. Para namang maalala po natin, Vina was one of the original hosts of SOP. Tama. Nakay, Jano, Ogie.
Ogie ako. Tapos after a while, nakasama na namin si Regine.
What do you miss most about SOP?
I think that time kasi it was so special to me because that was my first variety show na talagang na parte ako. Kasi sa Dance Entertainment kasi Kuya Boy, ang dami namin di ba? So parang nabibigyan ka ng chance to really excel and ma-improve mo yung sarili mo na you know, that you can sing and you can dance. My experience, love life if you're talking about. But yung love for my daughter will be unconditional.
That's different.
But for my personal romantic love, natutunan ko na hindi naman walang forever, but huwag mong ipilit kung hindi para sa'yo. Natutunan ko na just to accept it na pag hindi nag-work out. Kasi before, when I was younger, parang kailangan, gusto ko, siya na talaga. Pero hindi.
Pinaglalaban mo?
O pinaglalaban ko na, hindi naman pala talaga para sa'yo. Ikaw rin nahihirapan, ikaw rin umiiyak. So right now, I'm just like, you know, going with the flow.
Okay, pero sino yung naging boyfriend mo na hindi namin alam?
Hindi artista.
Hindi artista. Vina o diva?
Vina.
Mataas ang boses, malalim ang bulsa.
Malalim ang bulsa.
Bisaya word na sinasabi mo kapag masaya.
Agoy.
Kapag galit.
Piste.
Kapag in love.
Agoy. Depende pa rin sa kanya.
Kapag nanunuyo.
Iring-iring. Iring-iring.
1 to 10. Gaano ka kahandang magmahal muli?
10.
1 to 10. Gaano ka kasaya na magbalik GMA?
Of course, 10.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Best time for happiness. Being with someone.
Your reminder to yourself, to self today. Ano ito?
To always be kind.
Oh.
Marami. Unang-una, sa pag-arte, magkakaroon kami ng teleserye, yung Cruz versus Cruz. Pagdating sa acting, yes, yan yung mga aabangan nila. Singing, pwede. Baka naman pwede akong mag-guest. Pwede naman akong kumanta at sumayaw. Parang SOP lang. So, I guess, ako kasi, ina-enjoy ko lang yung journey ko with GMA right now. I'm taking one step at a time kung saan ako dadalhin. Basta, pero excited ako that itong project, itong Cruz versus Cruz, at malay nyo, madadagdagan pa. So, you'll never know in God's time or God's will. Love ko yan, si Tito Boy. Nakakaya kasi naging emotional ako. Naging emotional ako. Because I'm just so grateful. Not all kasi are given the chance to have this opportunity to work with Kapuso, with GMA again, to be back after more than 2 decades. Parang God's will talaga, God's plan na natuloy din. Kaya naging emotional ako. And it's always, you know, fun talking with Tito Boy. And palagi ka naman yan ginaguidan sa mga questions niya. And he's, you know, he's very, I'm very open also when it comes to topic na kung anong gusto niyang, because I trust him. So I never had a problem pagdating sa interview sa akin ni Tito Boy. Kasi siya alam niya pag hindi pwedeng itanong, alam mo yun? So you really can trust him. So thankful to GMA.
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the house. Click and subscribe now.